Hello guys, today we will talking about the equation of current for AC voltage applied to an inductor and draw graph of V versus I. Equation for AC voltage and draw V versus I graph. Obtain an equation of current for AC voltage applied to an inductor and draw a graph of V versus I. Suppose consider an AC source connected to an inductor. Draw the figure. In shown in figure, AC source connected to an inductor. Inductor has negligible resistance. Okay guys, please note it. Inductor has negligible resistance. Thus the circuit is purely inductive AC circuit. Let the voltage across the source be voltage across the source V is equal to Vm sin omega t. Vm sin omega t. Using Kirchhoff's law. Now guys, using Kirchhoff's law, V minus L di by dt is equal to 0, where minus L di by dt is the self induced EMF. Okay, now V is equal to L di by dt. Okay, V is equal to L di by dt. Now guys, di by dt is equal to V upon L. L नीचे ला दे दो. But we know V is equal to Vm sin omega t. Put the value of V. Di by dt is equal to Vm sin omega t upon L. So guys, di is equal to Vm by L sin omega dt, where L is self-inductance. Equation 1 indicates that current I of t as a function of time. I of t function of time. Okay, must be such that its slope di by dt sine is a sinusoidally varying quantity with the same phase as the source voltage and an amplitude given by Vm by L. Okay guys, समझा पड़े? The equation di is equal to Vm by L sin omega dt, where L is self-inductance. Equation 1 indicates that current I of t as a function of time must be such that its slope di by dt sine is a sinusoidally varying quantity with the same phase as the source voltage and an amplitude given by Vm by L. Okay, Now to obtain the current, इक्वेशन 1 નું ઇન્ટિગ્રેશન કરીએ બે બાજુ di is equal to Vm upon L sin omega t into dt. Guys, di નું ઇન્ટિગ્રેશન શું થશે? I is equal to minus Vm by L cos omega t upon omega plus constant साइन નું ઇન્ટિગ્રેશન શું થાય? માઇનસ કોસ ઓમેગા ટી અને ઓમેગા ટીનું ડીટીની સાપેક્ષે ઇન્ટિગ્રેશન કેટલું થાય? ઓમેગા. ઓકે, હિયર ઇન્ટિગ્રેશન કોન્સ્ટન્ટ હેઝ ધ ડાયમેન્શન ઓફ કરંટ એન્ડ ઇઝ ટાઈમ ડિપેન્ડન્ટ. એટ ટાઈમ ઇઝ ઇક્વલ ટુ 0, ટાઈમ I is equal to 0, so 0 is equal to 0 plus constant. From equation 2, I is equal to minus Vm upon L omega cos omega t. So I is equal to Vm upon omega L sin omega t minus pi by 2. Why? Because of minus cos omega t is equal to sin omega t minus pi by 2. માઇનસ કોસ ઓમેગા ટી આપણે લેવું હોય તો એની જગ્યાએ આવું લખાય, માઇનસ કોસ ઓમેગા ટી ઇઝ ઇક્વલ ટુ સાઇન ઓમેગા ટી માઇનસ પાઈ બાય 2. આ તમે 12મા ધોરણમાં 11મા ધોરણમાં મેથ્સમાં શીખી ગયા હશો કઈ રીતે ચેન્જ થાય સાઇનમાંથી કોસમાં. So guys, I is equal to I am sin omega t minus pi by 2 because of Vm upon omega L is equal to I am. Omega L is called inductive reactance denoted by XL. XL is equal to omega L and unit is ohm. Okay, now guys, this is the equation for current. Okay, and it's a figure B versus I. ये भी तुमने जणाई दो. See guys, this is the figure for B versus I. Okay, here the source voltage and the current is, and inductor V is equal to Vm sin omega t and I is equal to Im sin omega t minus pi by 2. This shows that the current lags the voltage by pi by 2 or 1/4 cycle. Okay, current is a minus sign to positive to sign, but the voltage is always positive to negative to positive. Okay, okay guys, thank you so much.